And it's not even how many people go to the gallery at Einho, which is, by the way, about an hour and a half outside of central London. And it's a 73-acre estate and a 55,000 square foot, beautiful, castle-like building. It's going to be about the 40 to 50 million people that will see it on our website. We'll do it on the cover of our source book and mail it to millions of people. It'll be written about.
Are people There are that many wealthy consumers, right? In UK, you talk about that. In California, there are that many people doing that well right now. We all hear about how things aren't that great, but a destination now, I have side out a lot. You're talking about major commitments by people, and they have that money, or, as you said at the end of the call, it's their goal to do better. It's their goal to get better stuff. That's what people do.
Sure. You can look at history, and humans always aspire to better quality, right? But you don't build a long-term strategy based on, short-term, temporal, interruptions in economies or anything like that. So, people will say like, oh, it's not doing that well in Europe right now. I mean, I got it. Right now is just right now. Long-term visions and strategies are beyond right now.
Right.
So,
right.
And I think when people see what we're doing next, I think they'll understand it. I mean, it's no different than, we introduced RH1, right? And it's our private jet that will be available for charter. It just ran in Architectural Digest. It's in the October issue. And they did a spread on a plane. Okay, in Architectural Digest's history, I think they've I thought it was only one plane, and the Getty's plane, the Jetty in the 1980s. I heard that they did another article, 4 or 5 years ago on another plane. But these pieces of the puzzle are helping us to kind of climb the luxury mountain, right? Establish RH as kind of an arbiter of taste and style, in the world, for, as we like to say, products, places, services, and spaces, an ecosystem that kind of elevates RH as a thought leader, a tastemaker, and a placemaker. So it's, there's a integrated strategy to all this, but until you kind of see it and understand it, I think for anybody that doesn't get it, that's in the financial world, that whether you're an investor or an analyst, I'd say come visit us in Marin County. Come see the Center of Innovation and Product Leadership. But we don't spend our time, trying to convince people to love us. We do what we love with people that we love for people that love us.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Kramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.